So we are spending some days in Narmada, Tyar's parents' place, and that makes me want to show you some local feeling and some Indonesian culture. So this is an Indonesian shower with really cold water. My first experience with this was, it's really cold and I feel like you have to say 1, 2, 3, go. But when you do it the first time and after you fill the water, it's like your body get kind of shocked, and then it's just nice from there. Really nice actually. And this is the Indonesian toilet. This, guys, is how you go, like how you were created to go. So something you need to know about Indonesian culture is that you only eat with right hand. Also, if you give something to someone, money or something like that, or you point, you only use right hand. Your left hand is kind of banned.
Fresh my day, refresh my style. Fresh and natural, gently fresh.
In Indonesia, you sit on the floor, you eat on the floor, and sometimes you also sleep on the floor. And that is something I actually really love, because it feels so natural and it feels so down to earth. So I hope you like this little tour. If you did, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So we will see each other again next time.